Hello, I'm Zoe. I'd like to introduce our product, the remote control all-terrain transport. This machine can help you transport your things over rough terrain.
Specifically designed to handle transportation on rough and challenging terrains, this vehicle comes with 4 wheels that have the remarkable ability to automatically adjust and level themselves based on the unevenness of the ground. The 500 to 12 herringbone tires significantly enhance the traction capabilities. The tall wheels, which stand at a considerable height of 35 centimeters, offer a high ground clearance. This feature ensures outstanding cross-country performance. The body has been strengthened and reinforced to guarantee that it has a very strong and dependable capacity to carry heavy loads. It can rotate a full 360 degrees. This means you can steer it easily, even in small and crowded spaces where there's not much room to move. It is equipped with batteries from a well-known and trusted Chinese brand. There are 2 sets of 48V20Ah batteries, providing an extended and reliable endurance. Powered by a powerful 1200W full copper brushless motor, it delivers exceptional performance. It is also equipped with electromagnetic brakes and an anti-rollback function for added safety. The RV063 gearbox is capable of generating a high torque output. The chain drive system is designed in a way that makes maintaining it very simple and doesn't cause you any trouble or stress. Safety is given top importance, and this is achieved by having a wireless remote control included. This makes operations much safer. The remote control is small, so you only need one hand to control it, which is very handy. That's all. Hi there. Welcome to our tutorial on how to use our awesome remote control all-terrain transport. In this video, we will walk you through the operation in detail. Let's dive in. First, make sure the battery is fully charged before using the machine. Here's the charging port so you can plug it in and let it charge up. To get started, turn on the remote control. Then turn on the power switch on the machine. Now let's move this machine. When operating, please push the lever slowly, because pushing too fast may damage the remote control. You can easily go forward, backward, turn left, and turn right. It's very simple. This button is for cruise control. While the car is moving forward, press the OK button on the back of the remote control at the same time. Then press OK again to release the fixed speed. Press button 5 to switch to high and low speed. Note: do not touch other buttons. Finally, to turn off the machine, switch off the power switch on the machine itself, followed by the power button on the remote control. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions.
welcome to contact us with any questions. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.